We are joining forces with the UDC to beautify the school today because we believe that we should contribute to our country and to the young ones and to really beautify the place. And so this is giving back to the community.
UDC first and foremost is at the Almond Town Primary School today for Labor Day 2025. We are painting the exterior walls of the school. We're also redoing the name of the school and the crest. We have also demolished one old guardhouse that they had at the entrance of the school, and we have constructed a new guardhouse to be able to assist in terms of enhancing security.
We are partnering with the Digital Foundation and with the KPH and the Jubilee Hospital to try and just spruce up the place a little bit. We're doing a couple projects on this particular site where we're doing the car parks, the road marking paint we're highlighting here to make sure that people know where they should park and where they shouldn't. And then, of course, we're painting a doctor's quarter along with the Digital Foundation. But this is just one of the projects that we're doing. We're across the island, about 5 different projects, a couple basic schools, and we're just there to give back what we can because we really believe in our mantra, changing lives 1 gallon at a time.
EdgeChem is who really bring the brightness to the thing, you know. I mean, when we reached out and we connected with EdgeChem, it's about, you know, the fulsome look of it all, the look and feel of the colors, especially for the doctor's quarters, and then road marking paints and other stuff for the areas outside in the parking lots. So we're pretty much doing that. Dutch is on the ground to lend that technical expertise. You know, we don't really want us to have volunteers just come and your ears say the line them lean when we leave. So they are there to do that technical guidance. And of course, the Victoria Jubilee Hospital team is here on the ground with us, and we're moving around. So it's going well. It's a lot of things moving parts, but it's going well, and we're seeing the difference.